Hey everybody, Ryan Lallier here, CEO and founder of SalesGevity. In this video, I'm going to show you an app that quite frankly, our agency and me personally, we just cannot live without it. It's called Paage, P-A-A-G.io. All right, .io. You got to check this app out. If you haven't heard of it, I'm surprised. You've probably been under a rock. It's been all over LinkedIn. A lot of folks that are doing outbound motions like SDRs, BDRs, AEs, salespeople, agencies, they have been providing real life use cases on how they leverage it. So I'm going to show you one of the many use cases that we have for Paage and how we use it at SalesGevity. But it's not about us. It's not about how we use it. It's about how you can use it. What I love about this application called Paage is you can create as many variations, as many different pages as you want based on a situation. So maybe it's post-discovery. Maybe it's ice cold step 2 in your email sequence, which I'm going to show you in just a second, where you introduce your critical capabilities and some of the features and functionality of your software, putting it in front of your prospects, and actually being able to track the engagement. And I don't mean just did they click on and look at it. I mean, where did their eyes go? What did they click on? What did they see? How much time did they spend looking at that? This is information that, quite frankly, we really haven't had access to as SDRs and BDRs and AEs. The technology itself has been around, but access to it in our role, it's been limited, mainly because of cost. So that's one of the benefits I want to tell you about right now with Paage. Very cost effective. It starts at $50 a month, and it's worth every penny. So here's how we use it at SalesGevity. This is one of our use cases. This is our overview and next steps. When I'm on the phone with the prospect, I say, I'm going to send over our critical capabilities and next steps document. Essentially, how do we make the sausage? So here you have how we got started, our methodology, our technical process, basically how do we make the sausage, the tech stack that we work with, available CRM integrations, operations and reporting, historical performance, averages across all verticals, a quick onboarding checklist that you can edit and modify based on who you're sending this to. So once you're done completing this, you have some options here on the left where you can add buttons. I like that. Pricing, book time with me. If you're ready to move forward, just click this button and I'll get an automatic alert via email saying, hey, this person's ready to move forward. They've seen enough. But if you are doing an outbound motion, ice cold, sending out a sequence, and you want to introduce your critical capabilities and what you do, maybe some videos, some documentation, whatever it may be that's going to help you move the needle a bit and get that ice cold prospect a bit warmer and get them closer to saying, yes, I'm interested, let's take a meeting. You go here and click on add link, or get link rather. You go to add sequence. These guys have really thought through this. I mean, if you're not using one of these products, I'll be shocked. I mean, Outreach, household name. SalesLoft, household. Apollo, household. Lemlist, Calenti, instantly. I mean, Pardot, Pardot, HubSpot, Streak, Mixmax, SmartLead. I mean, SmartLead is like red hot right now. We can't live without it. We use it a ton here. If you're not using SmartLead, go use SmartLead. Just for the white label client access alone, it's a great product. But you can literally add this as a sequence step in any of your sequences. So you can have this be step 2, step 3. Maybe you have it email, call disposition, interested, sending information. It automatically triggers this as step 4 in your sequence, and it sends off your page. Nothing to do, nothing to type, nothing to write. It's already set for you. When you click get link again, you can personalize that link. So I can come in here and say, I'm going to send this to John Smith. And John Smith just so happens to work at HubSpot. Once you click on that, you're going to get this little viewer here. Now notice that they added the HubSpot logo for me. Customized, beautiful, going to look great. My logo, HubSpot's logo. You copy this for email. You just go into your email, you click on paste, and it populates this entire view, video, whatever, image, a page right in the email. There's nothing to do. So just to take a step back, just to make sure that I drive this point home, adding this to a sequence is incredibly easy. And for the $50, it's well worth the money. And there's so many other use cases for this. But what I happen to love, and I'm not going to click on my analytics screen because you'll see who I'm sending these out to and who we're working with. And I can't give away our customers, right? That's just not not ethical. But this is a fantastic product that I recommend you try out, definitely sign up for, and implement in your day-to-day outbound motion. It really can be used for anything. You can put Loom videos in here, YouTube videos, your Calendly links. I mean, you name it. It's all there. Nothing to rewrite. And you can make it customizable in just a couple of quick buttons. Something as simple as adding a URL and a recipient. But definitely try this out. Hit me up in the comments below. Let me know what you think. But it's Paag, Paag.io. Check it out. I do not get a dime for saying any of this. I just think the product is really that great, and I believe it's going to help SDRs, BDRs, AEs, actually any salesperson that is willing to do what is actually in our job description, and that's prospect. Do outbound work, book meetings, build top of funnel, build pipeline, and ultimately hit our numbers. Thanks for checking out the video. Hope to hear from you soon. See ya.